Welcome to the Explainer. Azure Data Engineering just experienced a massive shift. Let's break down the brand new DP700 certification. So, what happens when Microsoft suddenly retires a major cloud credential, like in March 2025? Well, everything changes. Okay, let's dive into this. The legacy DP203 exam is officially gone. DP700 is your mandatory new standard. Why the sudden shift? Microsoft basically moved their core data operations onto one unified powerhouse platform called Microsoft Fabric. This creates a massive early mover advantage for you, because certified Fabric engineers are still incredibly rare right now. The value is totally clear. In tech hubs like Hyderabad, Azure Data Engineers average a fantastic 9 LPA. Plus, salaries scale incredibly fast in this ecosystem, easily topping 32 LPA for experienced data architects. It's wild. This crazy earning potential is fueled by India's cloud computing market, which is just compounding massively every single year. Choosing DP700 over AWS is a super smart move if you're targeting those heavily Microsoft-integrated Indian enterprise companies. Now, what's really interesting about this is the modern stack you gotta master. OneLake, KQL, Spark, Python, and SQL. Architecturally, things really shifted. OneLake directly replaces ADLS Gen 2, and lakehouses are totally replacing those older Synapse pools. To prove your skills, you'll face a fast-paced, 100-minute practical exam, testing real-world Fabric decisions, not just basic memorization. So, your achievable roadmap looks like this. Start with AZ900, step up to DP900, and finally conquer DP700. Honestly, structured training absolutely beats self-learning here. It provides those critical, guided, hands-on Fabric labs you're definitely going to need. But hey, a quick warning. Please ensure your training program focuses entirely on DP700, not the outdated DP203 material. Basically, get certified right now. Establish your expertise before Microsoft Fabric simply becomes the expected everyday industry baseline. So, are you ready to grab that early mover advantage in the Fabric era and future-proof your data career?